If you've seen my last video, it was about a game that me and a buddy made in Microsoft Excel that you can play for yourself and download. If you want to know more about that game, how you can download and play it, click right up here. And the rest of this video will be a walkthrough of that game, so you can watch this video or parts of it if you get stuck on some aspects of the game. Also remember, there's a contest that whoever makes the coolest game in Excel or another similar platform and emails it to me will get quite a prize. A JPEG, an image of a Nintendo Switch, will be emailed to you. Without further ado, let's play.
Alright, so this screen recording software only allows me to record 10 minutes at a time, so we gotta do this pretty quickly. So right now I'll show you how to download and play the game. So if you go to the video on my YouTube channel where I talk about it, you see that beautiful face right there. It is all laid out in the description. If you click the link, it'll take you to Google Drive if you're signed in, and will show you the game. It may take a few minutes to load, especially if you have a computer like mine that runs on Steam power, but you can't play it. It's view only. If you want to play it, you have to go to File, and you can either download it as an Excel document, which you can, but the game, it plays a little differently, and so if you can, just make a copy on Google Drive, and then you can name it whatever, like I'm the cool guy. Heck yeah. And then you can play this copy, edit it, destroy it, do whatever the crap you want with it. It is fully yours. So I will be trying to do this as quickly as possible to show you how to beat the game. I'll make that a little bit larger for you so you can see, and we'll start all the way down here. So there's a tutorial maze that's in another tab that you can go to learn how to play, but I'll just be covering the full game here. Alright, so there's a key up here. Use X to collect it, and we have gathered ourselves a key after I phased through a few walls. Now to win the game, we have to defeat a bunch of monsters, so we need some weapons. So we'll unlock this door and try to find our first weapon, which is a sword. Okay, so we have a sword. Let's try to defeat our first monster beast. Use the sword on this guy, and dead as a doornail. And we got a gold. Right on. Sweet. So up here, there's also a guy who will become important later. He's the merchant, or a merchant. Let's see, I'll give you a crossbow for 2 gold. Come back when you have it. Okay, so I only have 1 gold, but I am going to need the crossbow for later. So let's see what else we can find. Okay, and this chest is... Ooh, a fireball deals 2 damage, but I got a gold. So now that I have a gold, let's go back and get the crossbow from this guy, because that will probably be useful. Okay, use BC to buy crossbow. I'll type BC in there, and now I've bought a crossbow. Now there's an enemy up here that we need to defeat first. And there's other guys, like this is an NPC that you can talk to that isn't necessary for you to complete the game, but they give you hints and there are other little secrets in around. Also notice that I can't go through this door with my key because I don't have the right key. I need a green one. So I'll use a sword on this guy. Alright, he's dead. I'll loot him. Apparently I get nothing, and in this chest is a boomerang. Sweet. So now let's go to our biggest, baddest, toughest guy yet, which is actually not over here. He is... Whoa, hello, wall. I'll just phase through you. Now, though you can move like through walls in the game, because it's just like a text box, to get the win screen, you have to accomplish every necessary action before then. So, really, you might as well just play along and pretend like you can't go through walls. Okay, so we have this guy. I'll use my sword here, and my boomerang, which can go around corners, right here. Loot him. Whoops. Nothing. Perfect. That's the name of my autobiography. I don't know if that was a funny joke or not. Probably not. But if you go up here, you'll find a hidden treasure chest with 3 gold. Heck yeah, that is a butt ton of gold. So now we can move on to the next portion of the maze where we'll be doing some serious damage. Whoa. Man, this thing goes quite a ways away. Fun fact, when I first made this game, It was actually just a... Let's see, where am I going? There we go. I just made a maze just for the sake of making a cool maze, and then I learned that you can do a lot more in Google Spreadsheets, so then I added detail by detail. Then Magnus wanted to create some art for it, and then now it is sprouted to the acclaimed game that it is today. Okay, where am I lost a little bit? I'm lost in my own maze. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Okay, so this guy, I'll use my crossbow 3 spaces away, a sword here, and a boomerang here. Ooh, I almost burped for a second. Okay, saved princess. Thank you for saving me. Take this health potion. Sweet, we have a health potion. And you can use them to heal up, but we actually won't be needing to because we aren't going to take a single point of damage this whole game. Okay, what does this chick have to say? If you want to make it out of here, you need to find a mega sword. The only way you can get it is through a trap door only I know how to get, but it comes at a price. Bring me a bomb and 3 gold. Okay, so we have 3 gold, but we need a bomb. So let's see if we can get a bomb out here. Oh, there is a door and a chest. Exposed. Let's see what's in it. Oh, nothing, and I locked us in. But that's okay, because we can defeat this guy, just like that. Loot him. We got, gained a green key. And this is a trap door that says go to tile B38. Okay. So B38 is all the way down here, but that's okay that it dropped us here because we're actually closer to getting where we need to be to get the bomb, which is all we need to get to the secret info. If you'll remember the green lock we saw before, guess what you need to open it? A green key, which we now have. Heck yeah. And there's this guy, so we'll use crossbow right here, sword, and a little space right here around a corner for a boomerang. And, got a gold from him. And got a bomb. Sweet. Now, instead of going all the way around, I'm just going to do the totally not cheating thing and whoop, go right there. Okay, so there's new text. Sweet. If you want the info, hand me the money and the bomb. Use E to give. Okay, I'll use E. Okay, so if you go to U8 and use your key, then it will open a way to get the sword. Good luck. Alright, well let's go to U8 and see if this is real. I'll use my key. And a secret door has opened. Heck yeah. Alright, now there's a few guys here. Let's destroy this guy. The sword right here. Oh, a door is locked behind us. But I'll use the sword there and the boomerang around a corner. Loot him. Nothing. Perfect. And this is the mega sword. So let's try the mega sword on this guy. Ooh, destroyed. Heck yeah. And in this chest isn't really a chest, but it opens up a passage. And I'm only a few minutes away before my screen recording won't let me record anymore, so I need to pick up the pace. Okay, so now we're almost at the boss, but we got a few mini bosses here. So 2 chicks, okay. So I'll use my boomerang for this one. Sword here, boomerang again. Ooh, still at 6 health though, okay. So let's try mega sword here, sword here, okay. So destroy this guy. But now we can come back to this girl and use the mega sword right here. And the sword. And she is gone like the wind. Okay, there's other items that you can collect and people you can talk to, but we're just going to do the base thing you need to do to win the game. But there are a lot of secrets that you can find, so make sure that you play this for yourself. Ooh, 15 HP. Alright, we're just going to go through this. So boomerang, sword, mega sword, crossbow. Oh, we are getting him down. Sword, boomerang, and last hit. Mega sword. Curse you! Destroyed. 10 gold, 10 HP, and I gained a gold key, which I need to unlock the last door, and... you win! Awesome, and to reset the game, you can press Ctrl Z until the green box at the entrance says ready to begin. So when you press Ctrl Z, you just undo everything you did until this box says ready to begin instead of game in progress. And that is BRYNTH in all of its glory. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, make sure you play the game, and don't forget about the contest, which is if you make your own game either on spreadsheets or Excel and email it to me, then I will email you a JPEG of a Nintendo Switch, the most grand prize of all. Have You just have a good day, okay?